Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick Dollar General haul for you guys. And I picked this up for Connor's stocking. And I'm going to add some pins, some colorful pins with it. And it just says, have a sliced day. And this was $2.50 I believe. And the pages have pizza on them. And he likes to write and of course doodle, draw pictures, all that fun stuff. So I picked this up for Christmas and I still need to get the pins. And then I did buy a dollar planner the other day, but I could not help myself. I think this was $3.50. Last year I got the Bloom calendar they had planner, but this year they had a coffee themed one. So it says but first coffee, all these different mugs and cups on here. And so what you get with this for $3.50. So you open it up, you have some stickers, some other stickers, and it's a slightly different color pink than last year's. And you get month, day, you can fill in all that stuff, and all the nice good sized boxes. And this is hardcover. Pick that up. And then I picked up a couple of these dollar candles in their dollar section from Hostess. They had a Ding Dongs candle. It smells so good and chocolatey. And they also had a Peeps candle, which kind of smells like vanilla and like marshmallow kind of scent. It smells so good. Super cute packaging. And then I got some Christmas stuff. They were putting the Christmas stuff out and I picked up some cute things. So in the line of candles, I did get this big mason jar candle in cinnamon sticks. This is a soy blend scented candle and it is 18 ounces. And this was $5. It smells really good and strong. So I have high hopes for this one. They had some super cute ornaments for only $1. And I picked this one up. It has some pine on there, a little pine cone, and a family of deers. It says Merry Christmas as well. And it's like wood kind of thing going on there. Very farmhouse stuff. I love it. And this one also was $1. I don't really need a lot of ornaments, but I just picked a couple because they're just so cute. This one has some like galvanized metal on his hat. These are $1. Can you believe the amount of detail and stuff you get for $1? And it says let it snow. It's a snowman. And then my favorite find was the stocking for only $1. And it says home for the holidays. And there's a red truck with a Christmas tree in the back of it. How adorable, for only $1. So instead of the plaid stocking Connor has, I'm going to use this one for him this year. One more thing I picked up at the Dollar General and almost forgot was the Canine Carryouts bacon flavor treats. And that's it, my friends. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so very much for watching.